Let's see the chat. Cool. Right. Give everybody a little countdown. And welcome back, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning into another little live stream. I'm joined by none other than Mr. Hayes Beats himself.
Yo.
And today, what up, Albert? Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. First guy in here. Maybe not the first, but maybe you were first. Who knows? Thank you for being here.
Just give it to him.
Albert was the first guy in this house. Let's go. How's your day, sir? Did you have a good run today?
Me?
Yeah.
Or Albert? Oh, it was great.
Albert says you're a beast for the trade. Are you talking about the NQ trade? That shit was fucking nuts. You're nuts for that shit.
Still in.
Hmm?
Still in.
God damn. Boy's riding it.
Yeah, there's no way.
Yeah, 22.05.050 is what I got next up. If you guys are new to this stream, yo, what up, world? If you guys are new to these streams, we have a little structure that we follow. So first we review some price action, see what trades we took, see what setups we had on the day. Then we go over the general market. Then we look at some cryptos. And we see what we can possibly see happening in terms of the future outline. So, without further ado, take a gander here. I'll also have Hayes talk about the trades that he took today. And we'll go from there. So this morning, right, initially this didn't necessarily give me any clean setup, right? That session that we typically trade in, that 7 a.m. to 9. That didn't necessarily have anything, so I was waiting a little bit for it to get this previous week high. Once it swept the previous week high, and Tia's in the house. What up, gangster? Get in here, Tia. Get on voice. Just don't mute yourself and talk to us, please. But right there, right, we swept this liquidity, and price just immediately fucking rejected to the downside. We got that Asian or London session low that we were looking for. We also swept some other liquidities on the downside. Almost hit the 2125 of that extension of this initial manipulation, right? I'm sure if we zoom in a little bit on this 1 minute, we can maybe even get a little bit closer. So like if we take that actual manipulation, I'm sure 2125 was like to a T almost right there. Look at that. Hit the low and fucking rip. NVIDIA earnings saved our asses. Nothing crumbled thanks to NVIDIA. NVIDIA was holding the whole fucking market up. Unless tomorrow they just gap it the fuck down.
No, it was that tariff thing too.
Yeah.
Ooh, what tariff? Tia's in the house. Let's go. What's up, Tia?
So apparently, Donald Trump does not have the authority to issue tariffs over 20% without court approval. And he was ruled against that this evening. That was after NVIDIA. But yeah, once that hit the charts, it was going on a trip.
It's
Our
funny because
favorite
the
rocket
charts
ship.
already showed it anyway.
What'd you say?
It's funny because the charts already showed it before the move.
Yeah. Yeah.
As always.
One of the last chart I posted in my channel yesterday was that we had hit the -2. So what do we do at -2?
Reverse.
We come down for retracement to equilibrium and off to -4. It's just basic shit.
That shit.
Everybody fucking knows. If you guys follow Tia, what's your Tia's trades? If you guys follow her, go take a look at her account. She's got some phenomenal fucking setups that she always posts. Her charts are absolutely amazing. We love seeing them, especially in our Discord. So check her out. Check her page out. Give her a little likey poo. Tell her hello from Paper Traders. Tell her how much you love her charts. She's a great trader. She's the one that got me on the fucking whole ICT journey.
Yep.
I'm sitting here with two people that have had a huge influence on my trading journey. Tia with ICT, and then Shane with crypto and everything else. Just
And
want
he
to
is
give
the
you.
only reason we met. So
Yeah, yeah,
Exactly.
literally, literally. Tia is the glue that holds everything together. She's phenomenal. So
Thank you.
huge shout out to Tia and huge shout out to Hazed. Beautiful people all around. But over here,
But yeah,
oh, go ahead.
I was just gonna say. Long story short, Trump was bluffing with the tariffs.
Usually, art
Did
of
you
the deal,
guys?
baby.
I saw this one meme that it was a Peppy meme. Oh, I forgot who posted it, and he was just like, so he was paper tariffing the whole time.
Paper tariff.
It made me
Pretty
laugh so hard.
fucking much. That's a good one. I think you outlined this, Shane, on yours somewhere, right? We had this range. We had our OTE of that range. So this is in terms of higher time frame. So you put a little order block right there as well. So we had an order block confirmed with our little 1618 OTE or 618 OTE. And from there, it was just an absolute fucking face ripper.
Yeah.
Fucking face melter.
And on the
Gnarly.
4 hour, like it looked really good too. They held that 4 hour FVG at close, and that was
Oh.
like that's why I just blindly longed at the open.
That tapped that 4 hour fair value gap
Yep.
perfectly.
Mm-hmm.
God damn, dude. Holy fucking
Yeah,
shit.
that was
For
pretty.
me, it was like the sweeping of the buy side, no displacement down, and then closing like that. It was just kind of like longs are safe.
Yeah. 22050 is the next liquidity that we're looking for. That's our next big liquidity. After that, we got those pre all-time highs and then all-time highs after that. So let's see how they play this puppy out. Right, tomorrow we got GDP. We're way above the previous weekly high. We said that was the level that we're going to watch, way above previous weekly high. So the continuation is on from here. I'm not a fan of just like the whole like ripping with no nothing kind of
Right.
thing. So I'm most likely not going to trade tomorrow, but we'll see what comes our way.
Unless they want to bring us back to OT.
Exactly. I'll only long off of OTE. I'm not chasing longs from here.
Yeah, that's what I typed out this morning.
It's the
Do
only.
not long the top of the range.
Mm-hmm.
Nope.
So you
It's just
find yourself.
crazy.
Oh,
That
go.
fractal.
Oh,
That
dude.
fractal. That discount tab is like still in play from April 6th. That's just nuts.
Yeah. Dude, that shit was. You outlined that so long ago, too.
Feels like forever ago, but it was only like
Only a month. Actually, that's like the month of
2 months
April.
almost.
March, April. No, April. Yeah, April, and then May. This was the
Almost
ripper.
2 months, yeah.
Yeah, that's crazy. ATF
Because
liquidity.
I was out during that whole time, so.
Oh yeah. Okay. So that was pretty much it. That was this trade right there. We outlined what we have into tomorrow. Right? If they retrace this into OTE overnight, that'd be phenomenal. That's what we would want to see. Journal, if I can spell fucking journal.
Let me see if it hit my -4 yet.
Which range are you going off of? That initial like. Whoop.
Yeah. I'm on my phone. So
Like
it doesn't have
the
glass.
initial manipulation on last Friday, or are you measuring the manipulation on Monday?
I do the manipulation at the bottom of every range.
Okay. So let's
Let's
take
see
a
how far that
gander
range will
here.
go.
So if you're measuring this manipulation, that's a fucking nutty manipulation. Holy fuck. If you're doing this whole like move down that they had on Friday. If that's what we were working with, then fuck.
Where's she going?
She's going far. We're doing we're close to 1618, negative 2618 lines up with our tops. Pretty clean. Yeah, negative threes, negative three halves, negative 5 is 23 thou. So we got quite a bit of shit up top.
I think somebody posted 23,000 today. Who is it? Stoic Trader, maybe?
Mm,
I think I saw that first thing this morning.
that'll be fucking wild. But if we're
I have
taking, oh, go ahead.
over 21,842. I have 22,300 next.
21
there's a huge-
4 822 you said?
21,842. If we can break through that, I
842.
don't
Oh,
really
okay.
have anything until
Nice.
22,300.
Yeah, the only, or like the level that I have up top in terms of like rejection is 21,859, 21,898. Those are like the big little levels that we could potentially see a reaction from. And then obviously that liquidity that we mentioned that actually got swept on this chart. Oh wait, no. 21. Hold on now. Oh, this is the continuous. 21,813. Yeah, 22.
Yeah, over the last like 2 weeks, how many times have you said don't short the hole?
Me?
Yeah.
I think I retweet it every morning. Tough month to be warm and fuzzy.
It is.
Oh, 22,050. Okay, so that's where we have that little chart divergence. Okay. Just looking at my things here at this one versus like this price action right there. So technically we have swept some of these levels up above now. Or we swept the one liquidity that's up there, and then so we're pretty close to all-time highs on our continuous chart. On our regular chart, we still got some stuff above to take. So just be watching that. And probably the best one is going to be, looking at US 100. So let's take a look at that. Let's take a gander here at US 100. Thank you guys for tuning in, for watching. Appreciate y'all. 40 people in this house.
While you're setting that up, I did think Friday they had a shot,
Mm-hmm.
but once they opened up and there was never any retracement, like back to the lows,
Mm-hmm.
they just low volume up the whole day. Just and then on the close, even when it hit the original order block that sent that low on the tariff news, there was, I don't know, like a 20-point short. Like there was no real short. And the way that they closed it, I was like, no, Bears gave up. They fumbled the last shot they had.
Yeah,
Always
very
humble.
yeah, always. The thing was we never had like displacement to the downside. That was probably the biggest thing that was screaming to us that this is just a retrace. Yeah,
They had
daily.
some nice moves. They
Mhm.
did. That one day, remember, Shane, I was like, this climb's equilibrium is like brutal.
Yep.
And as soon as it hit the 50, it dropped, and it dropped quickly. And then the next morning, we got the tariff news, but the Bears just couldn't hold it.
Can't hold her own.
And since then, it's been like almost a straight rip up.
Insanity. Oh. So, what is this one? US 100. She is looking quite sandy to the top up here.
It's just that 3-month chart too that just kept me on the right side of things, I guess. It's like once we cross that 50%, like this thing's headed somewhere, and I think I know where.
All-time highs, baby.
It's got a whole month left on it, so we can definitely get like a dip into this new month,
Oh yeah.
like open low, high, close. But
Mm.
I think that might be all the bears get
Let's
for now.
see. Yeah. For now. I like that idea.
I know
for
they'll
doing
come crawling out of their caves eventually again.
Top. We're top. We're topped. We're top. We're topped. Let's take a look at some. That's honestly all for in terms of like equities analysis that we may have, unless you guys got something else.
Mm.
Overall, it's like for a retrace tomorrow or something. If you're
Yep.
looking for longs, don't try
See
to.
those equal lows right there.
Yeah, these ones right here.
Yeah.
I like that idea. Let's outline those, and we'll come back tomorrow morning too. Right on our stream, we'll outline, see what we see what price can do here, and then we'll go from there.
Eddie, are you in the NVTS place though? Did you ever jump in that with us?
Oh, that's a good fucking question. Let me check my port. I'm so bad at checking my port.
I know.
It's a good thing.
It wasn't in April or the end of March. I just left everything. I came back. I was like, ooh.
Oof isn't like bad or?
Yeah, that whole drop, everything. I had Tesla in my account, everything. When my dad was sick, I just wasn't looking at it. I didn't care.
Yeah.
But then I was like, well, it's Tesla, so we'll be fine. But yeah, it was a big drop.
NVTS. Yeah, I'm in it. I'm still in it. 94% on it.
Nice. Yeah, G's looking for 11.
What are we at now? $6. Down. I'll take 11. That'd be cool.
Yeah.
Lumen was fucking huge for me.
The Nvidia news. It went to like 6 and change, and all the guys were pumped up on Euphoria. I was like, you know what? I'm selling, and I'm gonna buy back at OT. And they were like, no, I'm not doing it. And then sure enough, the next day it dropped below 4. And I bought back everything I sold. So
Beautiful.
yeah.
Beautiful shit, nice. Miss Tia. Love that. Yeah, what are we? Yeah, Lumen was like Lumen Piton. Oh, Piton fucking went. Holy fuck.
Is that it?
You could buy a used one for like $100 on Marketplace now. It's bananas.
Crazy. In COVID, they were like $5,000.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
I know so many people with them. I didn't do that. I did the Nordic Track one. It was like half the price. But still, now I'm like $100.
I could do that.
Yeah, right. I'm buy a couple of them.
Yeah, a couple of them and resell them.
We just have all the kids. We could ride them together.
A little morning rise with Tia. We can make that a live stream. Morning rise with Tia.
You know,
streaming from the fucking. You have to cycle faster in order for your trade to go up.
Yeah. And you have to have like the TV in the room that looks like you're biking through the woods.
Yep.
yeah, that's why. Yeah, I love that. That's what I did all during COVID.
All right. Let's take a look at these cryptos.
All right, guys, I'm gonna jump off.
Yep.
I'll see you in the morning.
All right, see you. Bye. T only came in for for the commodities. She hates crypto.
Okay.
Bye, crypto. Bye, Tia. All right, take a gander at some of these crypto names. Give this live stream a like, a share. Guys, comment down below anything you want us to see, any cryptos you want us to review, or in the chat, whatever you're watching on. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let's see what we have here. Let's go over this FET trade that we took today. So initially, I think last night we said, all right, we're taking some longs. It did pretty decent overnight. It gave us this double top, though, which was lame. right? Then this whole 4-hour candle turned into an absolute shitter. For me, I was getting a little bit, you know, bared up on it, but I was like, you know what? I have to trust the shit out of this. So we had this 4-hour wick right at the bottom. So we drew out the 50% of it, typically per ICT. That's where we can see price bounce off of. So that's exactly what we had right there. And that's what gave us that confirmation to hold our longs, add to our position as we were in a small one. So I added pretty deep into it over here. Then we got our nice little ripper candle, which we have a double top up here again. What is this high? 289. Another double top right there. So we'll see what they want to do from here. Let's see. I'd be curious to see how they play this out. We can probably take this range right there. And then this little 4-hour sweep right there to make us go outside 4-hour. That was absolutely just what she needed. It's a nice little sweep right there. And a reversal up, I'm sure, on a little 15-minute or maybe even 5. We had a CISD. No CISD. Okay, cool. All right, that's cool. We have a change in the state of delivery right here. So if you want to, you can probably add some longs over here and see it come back up beyond this 4-hour if they want to reverse it. See how they play it. Be curious to see. I know LDO, right? Shane, you said that fucking went nicely.
Yep. I'm still in. I just wanted to say, like, remember we talked about it was grinding through this daily FEG.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like it's about to pop it right now.
ETH is?
Yeah. So if this can pop and Bitcoin can just hold where it's at, we can get really spendy on some of these alts. And maybe that's what that weird divergence, like not sweeping of the lows was happening from, is from ETH holding up.
Yeah,
And
ETH.
Bitcoin not.
ETH was grinding up quite a bit.
Yep. Keep it on the daily quick, because this matters the most, because if this goes, the alts follow.
Let's see if we get that. Let's see, I just retook some FETs. Yeah, if FET can give us another fucking pop, at least to that weekly high. All right, let's take a look at ETH here.
ETH and mark out that daily FVG that we're in.
This, oh, I see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Grinding through it, and it's kind of like about to pop the top.
Mm-hmm.
Need some follow through here. I like that it's doing it early in the day, though.
Yeah.
Don't want to reject these liquidities.
And we have this CISD, so we kept on rejecting these highs. Finally breaking through. We got these stops right there, -1, -618s, -2125s. Yeah, if ETH fucking sends it, I mean, our animal will play out fucking beautifully right there.
And what we've seen, like, our alt pumping when Bitcoin is going up is nothing compared to what they would do if ETH actually sends. Like, if this is ETH catch-up time now, it's going to be nuts.
Let's see it. I'd love to see it happen. Let's see, what else do we got? AVAX.
I'm not going to get too excited, though, because it is fucking Ethereum.
Yeah. Vitalik is out there fucking sniffing dog butt. Being a weirdo per usual.
Monthly does not look bad, though.
Mm-hmm. Similar play on here on AVAX, right? We can take this 50% right there. Draw that out of that wick, and you can see how well that tapped into there, and that was pretty much the low right there. And now that pumped up. So AVAX, that was a good, nice little play. Consolidation, manipulation, and Ripper Rooney. They need to get above this 23,975. in order for us to continue up, which would be pretty solid. So far, we are up. We mentioned it last night. I'm up 69. I had some initially. I sold some on that drop because I was scared a little bitch, and then I was like, wait a minute. No. This looks like a power of 3, so I rebought at the bottom. So now we're holding through to see what she will give us. So let's see if she gives. See if she gives. That'd be a nice play. I'm also looking at Sheeb. Sheeb did a similar thing as well, right? It actually swept these. I'm not the biggest fan of this little blunt bottom, right? But we can leave that for later. I'm cool with having that later for some time being. But for now, above that weekly, I think anything above the weekly is a fucking godsend for us. So we can keep on grinding. Vet is finally returning out of the dead on our original position. I think we were playing. Yeah, we were. Oh, go ahead.
Go ahead. Nope, you.
I was saying a similar thing, but on the daily time frame, we had this huge wick, right? So we drew out the 50% of it. Price held it, so we are now looking for a continuation up through it. We just need, like, in any of these, honestly, we need above these daily fair value gaps, and that can really give us those moves. FET needs also to clear this weekly fair value gap and maybe get the CISD right there in order for us to continue that grind up. My position is only 10%, so it's like pretty much this was our entry point last night, I think, is when we entered it. So if we get something like this, I would not be upset about it. Go ahead, sir.
Oh, I like this. I posted this in Discord before. 12-hour or daily XRP.
Oh, yeah, let me take a gander here.
It like finally got that sweep, and it looks like a PO3.
XRP looks good.
Yeah, like this.
I'm like, do I risk it and leave something for the lows down there?
Go AVAX. There we go.
Yeah, AVAX is
LBL going fucking nutty.
Oh, that's another one, yeah. Holy fuck. Damn, LDO's fucking sending it.
She gone.
Are you writing it?
Oh yeah, I'm still in.
Hell.
I'm not scaling at the bottom.
Nice. It's beautiful. Love that. I got shaken out a little bit on some of those that we were in last night on that drop because I was like, fuck, I can't look at the charts. It's the only.
Well, they really. I mean, I had less positions today than I've had for the last 2 weeks, and I figured that's how they'd do it.
Yep.
I just wasn't comfortable with those lows looking like that.
Yeah. She was sending her. She was really going.
Off the ugliest bottom ever.
Yeah. Yeah.
What the
Yeah,
fuck?
Sheeb had a disgusting fucking bottom. ZRX, that's another one I want to see. Oh, ZRX, I like it. I like my ZRX.
Fuck you, Link.
This Link being a piece of
Oh
shit.
yeah. One last thing, just pull up Bitcoin Daily. Because Rise reached out today and like he asked about the weekly being turtle soup, and I was like, yeah, but the only last thing I'm looking at that can save us, go on the daily. So like, does that not look like a little triangle?
That does. But especially...
Then do you have the 12-hour?
I do.
How I always talk about, so mark out the bottom of that last, or the first white candle from that up move that took the liquidity to the left.
This one.
The one right by that CSD.
This.
Left a little more. That white one. Right after that black candle that you're on right
This
there.
one.
Mark out that. Nope. Those 3 up white candles. The first
One,
one.
2, 3.
Yeah. Put the open of that.
Oh,
or
open
the
of it.
CIS
Okay. Oh,
peers.
okay.
It's already
Yep.
marked, sorry.
Yep.
But yeah, that is like the most important level to me right now.
I like
So if
that.
we're just triangling out on top of that, might be fine.
Yep. And we just want to see some follow through on that.
Yep. Please load.
Mm-hmm.
Please ETH.
Yeah, I mean, the way this daily is opening up looks like they want to continue it. They just absolutely need above that 109,358, and that can give us that send that we are looking for.
I just need Vitalik to not empty out clips of Ethereum on the
Seriously.
per usual.
Ooh, dude, I'm really liking these fucking Rising 3 setups on these. If like on these weeklies, if they can get something going on ETH and Bitcoin, dude, these can go fucking nuts.
Yep.
In my opinion, like Vet can absolutely reach that 3395. I think without a doubt in my mind.
Link's got a really nice setup like that too. SNX as well on the weekly. Nears like that one we looked at last night. I showed the entry. That one looks fucking great on the weekly. LDO 2 weekly. Getting that look that you like.
Yep.
I think that's why I had so much faith in it.
AVE.
And held it.
Yeah, AVAX, that one looks great as well. I'm liking like the fact like some of these are looking like Rising 3. Some of these have tapped into this order block right there on that previous week and are continuing up from there. So I would love to see some follow through on AVAX as well. AVAX follow through up to top of this candle, probably 26. Yeah, would not be bad. I mean, they can't come just to like that $25 one, but would love to see some good follow through on it. That Link. Oh, Link has got that look, dude. Oh, Linky Poo. Link Bonk doesn't look bad either. Retest of that monthly one more time. Let's see how these play out, dude. Doge looks good.
Like big time frame LDO, where would you measure your like manipulation from? Like I have such a fire entry on this. I want to try to hold it as long as possible. Like
Let's see if we're looking on like. Oh my dude, LDO. This is what I'm talking about. If like this is what I'm talking about. This is what I want to see on those other ones that we've covered that are looking fucking good on those weeklies. This is exactly what we want to see. Like sweep of that shit. If we're looking at a higher time frame, I would measure this weekly manipulation. So piece to the -2/8, -3s, -3/5. I like that. That looks good. And it tapped that monthly and OB, brother.
Yeah.
Oh, LDO is about to go.
Of that sucker.
So let's go, dude. Yeah. EVE. Let me scroll through some of these dailies. So like Link can fucking get her moving. Yeah, Link looks good as well on that run. I'm curious about Link continuing to send, like, could risk it really bad with like 14,822 stop. So I don't know, something about those weeklies looks fucking absolutely Sunday to me.
4-hour SUI looked good.
Jube
Ooh, render looks really good on the 4 hour.
IOTA.
Render has not left the ship yet.
Jasmine looks good too. Maker. Holy fucking Maker, dude. And Maker's getting that thing too. Yeah, this is like exactly what I wanted to see from these. Is that push? Oh yeah, SUI. Yep. Sui looks fucking phenomenal to me. Sui looks good. I like that one for an upper weekly. If the stock market pushes, I feel like they gotta push the cryptos too. Right?
Yep. I like Render 4 hour a lot. Really clean. Sweet.
Let's take a gander at Render. Take a look here, Ren. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Render looks good too. So up the previous week low too. That's like the only one that has done that.
Like that bottom.
SUI.
So scammy ass bottom.
Dot looks good too.
Jasmine.
Yeah, dude, I just saw Jasmine.
Jasmine 4 hour. It swept.
Yeah, Jasmine
Swept
looks.
those lows.
Jasmine looks great.
Oh. That weekly could flip.
Dude, that if that weekly flips, Jasmine could fucking send her off.
There goes near. Fucking sick.
Jasmine's just not getting that volume. That's my only thing. But I don't know how important volume is.
I don't even know how to read volume, brother. Never used it once.
Yeah, Jasmine could fucking go for those weeklies.
Yeah, loving how near looks. Getting that curve. Who doesn't like rune? I actually feel stupid for not holding any near like spot.
I'm not. Dude, Maker is fucking great on the 4 hour. Look at this rising 3.
Yep.
That sweep right there. Oh my fucking lord, dude. I think we looked at it yesterday too.
Yep.
Man.
I know we already looked at it 10 times, but go to LDO again and pull up the fucking volume.
LDO.
It's sick.
Holy fuckaroni, dude. Oh my fucking god. Oh yeah, she's getting that volume. Yeah.
On Coinbase, it's crazy on the Coinbase there.
Fucking A. Good god. Good fucking god, dude.
I gotta post this fucking review. I gave that 1 hour low.
Man. Oh, Near. Holy fuck. Yeah, Near's good too. Good lord. Some of these fucking names that we've outlined.
Time to go to bed.
Yeah, time to go to bed. Yeah, I'm fucking, man. Man, dude.
Man, dude.
Man, dude. Holy fuck. Phil, honestly, I'll take it just for the sake of the animal. Play now.
That's the name. William.
Philium. I'll give this one, Phil. I'll take a position here. I'll leave the stop below the low, and whatever happens on Phil happens. I'm not gonna touch it until we reach that point X.
Matic 2. My God.
What is our point X? 1, 3, 2, it's like 3, 3. Well, actually, no. I have it going like into that week 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 3. Yeah, actually, yep.
Still like XLM, but I'm not going to get had by that one again. Sick of it.
See, oh, AVAX is almost at 100%. Holy shit. Oh, AVAX, you beautiful girl. Okay. LTC looking good. ACH, Bonk, HNT. Yeah, Render. Render looks fucking great. ALG, AXS. See, big. C Design, J Mobile. Oh, Mobile actually doesn't look bad. Rune.
Fetus. The fetus.
A lot of great names out here. A lot of great fucking names.
Into China again.
Into China, dude. Every fucking time, man. Like, I need to just start logging on. We need to start
Hey, they
streaming
might-
at 4.
They
Dude,
might like us again, so there's no tariffs. It
what
was
is this?
fake news.
8 right now. Love. Is this on like fucking? Is this on Eastern? I don't understand. What am I on? No, 22. Okay, it is on Eastern. Yeah, yeah. We need to. I need to start streaming at like 2 p.m. Dude, fuck. Once I'm done with whatever I got going on right now, well, only time will tell, right? You can't control timing. So I'm blessed for the position that I have right now. But boy, oh boy, I would love to do this shit full time. Anchor, dude. Anchor sweep. Anchor looks great too. Ooh, actually, dude, Anchor could send it. If it can give us this shtick in the next 5 days, 4 days, that'd be fucking phenomenal. Monthly is the only thing that's like iffy, but we'll play what we play.
Play what we play.
We got our stops in, like that, and
I
we'll
like my position.
yeah, we'll see how these names do. So big ones to watch for me at least. I mean, AVAX is gone. FET can still give you guys good upside. Sui, I think Sui, Jasmine, and Phil are the ones that are like, they're like, let's go, let's get this shit moving, kind of thing. Dude, AVAX is fucking beautiful.
LDO. I don't think it gets better than LDO.
You're nuts. What are you up on that?
Well, I re-entered. The other one was like 400%, and this is a heavier position, tighter stop, and it's up to 10%.
Let's go, dude. Let's
But it's like
fucking
double
go.
the position sizes before, so I'm not mad about it.
I fucking love that.
When did I share that original entry in Paper Traders? Dude, that was on 3 days ago on the hourly chart.
You're a beaut. You're a gentleman and a fucking scholar, brother.
Fucking nut.
AVAX is looking, yeah, phenomenal. I'm really loving AVAX.
Yeah, LDO, AVAX, XRP, and that's it for me. No, I didn't try to rhyme. Just retarded. SMX we talked about last night. That looks really good. They all look good, all right.
Yeah,
Not
yeah.
sure.
SNX getting the same. Yeah, everything's getting those shticks, dude. As long as they close these 4 hours like this, I don't see any issue of continuations.
China.
Oh, Shiba
If you're not
Inu.
in anything, I would say the only ones that are like not extremely overextended out of here yet are Render, XRP. Like I really like those. I would still take those if I didn't have these positions already.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know.
Shiba, you're a fucking beaut, Sheeb. Sheeb is sticking it too.
Always, dude. I really like Render. Really, really like Render. That manipulation just looks like actual manipulation.
Ren.
Yeah. Would love for Doge to rip too from my spot. Ooh, Litecoin looks really good.
Doge,
Hate
yeah,
that
Doge
one,
I
though.
feel like is following the same trend that Shiba's doing. Same thing.
Doge always
Sheeb,
takes a little
Doge.
bit to spool up.
Huh? Doge.
Doge, yeah, it's got to spool up. Last one, peep BCH on the 4 hour.
BCH.
Yeah, this is like an example of what we want to see these other 4 hours do. How that closed.
Mm-hmm.
That CISD.
Yeah. And the
That one
weekly
looks
is getting.
sick.
Oh, yeah, BCH, dude.
That manipulation's like a square box.
Yeah. Yeah,
So that makes
displacement
sense
through
now.
this.
They were triangling that as accumulation to manipulate and then send.
Mm-hmm.
Just really ugly.
Yeah, they got disgusting shit on those. AVAX. Dude, AVAX is ripping. I got my... Hold up. Where do I actually want to TP this?
Phil gone.
Which one?
Phil.
Phil?
Yeah.
Dr. Phil. Oh, she's going
Really
nicely.
I like Matic too. But I'm not taking it anymore.
AVAX. Yeah, if they can take AVAX at least to like 25,956, that's where my final is on that one.
Sui too though, out of that OTE that I posted in Discord.
Yeah, Sui, did I post that last night somewhere? Sui.
I'm not taking it though because Gainsey hates it.
Gainsey hates Sui?
Yeah.
Man, come on.
LDO almost reaching into that liquidity. Sell side.
Sui, yeah, 4 hour. Yep. A lot of great fucking names out here, y'all. A lot of great fucking names. So let's see. I mean, this is going into China. Let's see if China actually gives us anything tonight.
See if China's celebrating June already or not.
Yeah.
If you know what I mean.
Oh, man. Dude, if Fett can... Look at this fucking Fett candle insanity. Holy shit. Come on, Fettuccine Alfredo. Give us that previous week high.
Doji's heating up.
She's heating up. Yep. Shivi. And Shivi, I had a late entry, like right before that 4 hour open. But she's looking.
LDO.
Man, I'm pissed at myself for selling it.
I still think XIP here is just like a ridiculously good entry.
LDO 12% up. Holy fuck. LDO. Oh, when did I have some? I had 520. Oh, LDO I had on Sunday, dude. I had the fucking
Yep.
bottom on LDO.
Yep. I think I was at your house when we were buying it.
Man.
Because I said it's the only one that actually swept something.
Mm-hmm.
And I guess trusting those clean charts still pays off in itself. Like, look at how well this one's doing compared
Yeah.
to the others.
Yep. It's
The
fucking...
cleanness is rewarded.
Mm-hmm. Cleanliness.
XRP still fire entry.
Yeah, XRPs. Yeah, into OTE and this fair value gap too. Beautiful placer. Nothing but beautiful place from you. Fucking
I almost
phenomenal
lost
shit.
complete faith today, though.
Dude,
gonna
I
lie.
was, yeah.
Not that I lost faith. I lost faith on my current positions and wanted that shit swept. Like, I was like foot down, like, this is bullshit. Market's going crazy and this isn't getting any love. And then I was like, maybe this new daily they'll open it. Like, maybe they're holding it, open it, sweep it, go. But then I started thinking, like, I haven't been looking at ETH because I fucking hate it so much. And I didn't realize like how well it was holding up compared to Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
So that kind of makes sense of it all now.
Yeah. So we'll
The
see.
torch can be passed off here.
This is the end of the month if they close this shit strong. I mean, it's going to be beautiful. If XRP can get... I mean, XRP will be above monthly if it keeps on pumping. But monthly open... Or was this previous monthly high? Yeah, previous monthly high. Okay. Not current monthly high.
It just looks like that 12-hour daily really looks like it wants some business.
Yeah. And it had this nice little square box consolidation, accumulation, manipulation. And now we're going to look for that expansion on that. Let's see what China wants to fucking do. China. See it. See those fucking rippers. I got my stops in place. Hoping they continue as they have been going with it. This fucking AVAX is insane. I'm glad I retook that one. I will say I'm glad I retook AVAX and didn't pussy out on it.
Yep. And I closed up my NQ long. I don't want to take like. I'm not gonna be greedy. That was ridiculous. Yeah. I had a good day.
Great fucking entry, sir. Phenomenal.
It was actually a horrible entry, but like I talked about with Musty inside today, like about risk management. Like, again, sometimes I don't give a shit about my entries. Like, I saw that 4-hour candle, how it closed. I posted about it. When that new one opened, I said, can I take a mini and put my stop below that 4-hour low? Fuck no. Can I take a micro and like handle that being stopped out? Yes, I can. And I didn't really think it was going to. But like I was okay with it, so I just fucking entered and put it there. Because I was like, what if they don't dip this at all? Like, what if they don't give me an entry? Then I'm probably going to do some dumb shit. So if I'm okay with this risk of this micro here, then fuck it.
Yeah.
I feel like sometimes we wait for such good entries that we miss something. Like that was a huge, like one of my biggest trades in the last couple of weeks off of the most worthless, horrible, unthought out entry ever.
And that was a phenomenal trade.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Yeah, all out of that one. I'll wait to see if we do get OTE again.
Beautiful. Fucking beautiful. Oh, what's up, Nate? Yeah, Shane's got hella fucking knowledge. This motherfucker's phenomenal. Blessed to have had Tia bring us together.
Hell yeah, super lucky. But yeah, I just not comfortable. I would have loved to hold it longer, but I'm not going to take that overnight. It's just stupid.
ETH. Nate said he took an aggressive short entry on ETH out
I
here.
mean, I hate it. Would
Yeah.
love to, but
Yeah, I feel like, I mean, we still got these equal highs. This is what I'm looking at, honestly. I'm a believer in my animal. These double tops look sus. And I'm like we said, ETH to 4K by June 26th, I think we said.
yep.
So that's what we were playing with.
Also notable is like, again, I'm using this on NQ, that on the 3-month chart you mark out the previous 3-month candle, and like we just poked above the 50% of the previous 3-month. So if we can get if we can sweep those equal highs and close like a daily up here, it starts improving our odds of going outside quarter.
Let's send it.
We'll see. We will see.
Far from a
Definitely
full
don't
board.
don't want to reject. I can see the short.
Yeah.
Don't want to. I could see like if they pulled this daily back down and left a wick up here, that'd be horrible.
Yeah.
And then fall out of the bottom of this, like that would not be great. But we're gonna
see how.
I'm gonna pray that Nate gets stopped out, not me. Love you, Nate.
We'll see how China fucking treats us. We just need above some of these levels, like, right, these consolidations similar to what ETH is doing, how it's starting to break above that daily fair value gap right here that we had marked out. On the weekly also, it's a little bit of an order block, but the way it's cooking right now, it's looking a lot better. Volume wise, this daily is not looking the best, but we'd still want to see some continuation, right? This could be just due to Asia session. Let's see how this shit plays out, right? Got overnight session. Nate, please do not call your Chinese partners and tell them to sell. we want our tops. Other than that, guys, I think that's gonna do it for tonight. Appreciate you guys for watching, for tuning in here. 68 people, great outcome tonight. Let's see if we can double that by Friday. Want to see at least 120 people in this house on Friday. Would love that. Would appreciate that. But as always, we appreciate all of your guys' support. We had great support this morning, great support right now. So thank you so much. As always, check out www.papertraders.io. This is the go-to website for you if you're interested in paper traders. Scroll to the bottom of the page. You'll see View Past Streams button. Click that. Brings you to a playlist that has all of our previous live streams that we have done, so you can check our track record, how we've done, what we thought previously, and how it's playing out. We also have 4 free tools for you guys to use. So we got the Trader Log, got the ICT Trainer, Risk Calculator, and the Candle Creator. We also have 2 special links right there, 3 special links. So if you use the sign-up link for Paper Traders, you'll get a $100 refund on your losses that you take if you're trading Ethereum, Solana, or Bitcoin. You can also use code HASTE or code EDDIE in order to join Blowfin, and you get an initial deposit bonus in Futures Cash for that, and that's going to be 20%, I believe. You can also join our Discord. Check out the plays that we're posting in there. That's where a lot of these plays that we don't announce on stream, or when we go announce them on stream and kind of go over them, that's where those plays came from. So check it out. Be sure to give it a like, give it a share. As always, we appreciate all of your guys' support. Make sure you give at HazeBeat a follow. Phenomenal trader. Absolute fucking genuine ass human. So make sure you guys go ahead and do that. Give Nathan Blowfin_Nathan a follow. Great guy. Appreciate him for working with us. And that's gonna do it. And make sure light a candle tonight for China to rip face. On that,
Scare me none.
On that, we'll see you guys on the next one, which is going to be tomorrow morning, 6:30 a.m. Mountain, 8:30 Eastern. We'll see you here. We'll see you here. Don't be a queer.
Oh my God.
Be there or be square. Whatever you want to do. Whichever one fits your description.
With the mic drop exit.
Peace out.